What I'm going to do is I'm going to take Houdini, put him in the 75, and put the 2 rescues in here where Houdini's at. Alright, so here's the 55 gallon. Houdini's been taken out, putting into the 75 gallon. He's loving it, super happy. This is the hodgepodge slash sick tank. Yeah, it's just all over the place. I'm treating a few that are sick. Here's Bubble Guppy. You see how his scales are all missing because he was one of the rescues. Bubble Guppy and the convict, and the convict kept rubbing on Bubble Guppy. I don't know why, and it's kind of rubbed his scales off. And the convict wasn't being nice to Ozzy the Oscar here, so I separated them. Put the convict in with Houdini. But of course, before I put him in with Houdini, I tried him out in this tank. Now you're up in the corner. Now you're getting beat up and picked on. How do you like it? Well, obviously it's not going to work out in here for you. So, I got another spot to put you in so he doesn't keep pounding on you. And there's Houdini in the 75. He is utmost happy in here too. Yes, sir. And where is the convict? I gave him a couple rocks. Let's go like this. He's back there chilling. Yeah. Just not out right now. Usually swims around with Houdini. Put the convict in with Houdini. The convict and Houdini are doing just fine. A few goldfish here, and I'll explain to you about the goldfish a little later. A few giant Daniels that got ick and weren't doing good, so we're treating this tank. I'm going to make this tank a lot better. I got a background I'm going to put on it and move a few things around, and we're going to do that right now. Oh yeah, big difference. I like it. I think the goldfish and large Daniels like it the best, huh? There's Ozzy the Oscar. Hey buddy, how you doing? Yes. There's Bubble Guppy. Hi girl. I think it's a girl, who knows? Yeah, we'll get them scales straightened out. And there's the green terror. That's the one I'm most worried about. See the sunken belly. White poop's been coming out. I have been putting Melafix in this tank, but that's not going to cure the white poop. If you want to see how I cure white poop, which basically means parasites in the belly of the fish, you're going to have to check out my next video because that's where I'm going to have it.